This is the Attic Pro by Supco, and I'm going to put it up in my joist space here in the basement just to test it out. It slides from 14 to 24 inches, so it covers like a wide span of joist depending on how it's built, right? So let's check this out. All right, so let's put this thing up here. Now, on it here we have these bolts, and they have a pointed piece and a flat piece, almost like a washer there. So we have to go into the joist until that flat piece butts up against the side of the joist. And you can see there's a piece of duct here which is not going to be in the way at all because it spans across quite easily. I'm just kind of getting it rested on both sides so I don't have to hold it. So now it's in place. It can hold 250 pounds. I weigh about 190, so we can test that out. So the next thing we want to do here is we want to put the handle on it. It is quite a heavy-duty handle. We slide that on there, and then we have looks like a retaining bracket of sorts here, and then we have a nut that goes on. Hear my kids upstairs on a sugar rush right now, but we're gonna have to get a wrench to tighten this up. A couple of straps with the kit as well, and this one's unraveled, and you can see how long it is. So they're quite long. A couple of straps to strap up equipment and stuff. I don't really have equipment down here, so I'll find something down here HVAC related, and we'll just hoist it up just as an example. The handle here, it says turn to lift and turn to lower with the direction, and a locking mechanism here that you have to switch back and forth. So that would be to lift and this would be to lower. So I've used the straps, and then I brought this cable and hook down, and we've hooked ourselves right up. So let's lift this. So we've lifted up this HVAC recovery unit using the straps, the handle, the wire, and the hook, and it's hanging there quite well, and you guys seen me do some chin-ups on it. So it takes up to about 250 pounds of weight. I'm about 190. It held me no problem. It lifted this nice and smooth. So I mean, if you guys are in a bind to lift equipment up into an attic or anywhere that has joist space between 14 to 24 inches apart, this is a good tool for you guys to use instead of lifting it by yourself. Anyway guys, it's a Supco Attic Pro. Check it out. Happy HVACing.